大家好 Welcome to Learn with Lena 5 Daily Expressions in Chinese. I'm Alina. Today, let's learn 5 daily expressions about emotion. Number 1. 我有点紧张。我有点紧张。I'm a little nervous. Number 2. 淡定。淡定。Keep your hair on. Number 3. 别激动。别激动。Take it easy. Number 4. 你先冷静。你先冷静。Calm down first. Number 5. 怎么办？怎么办？ What should I do? This sentence is very useful in the daily life. And you can often hear Chinese people say this sentence. Now, let's come to today's keywords. 有点。有点。A little. 紧张。紧张。Adjective. Nervous. 淡定。淡定。Verb. Chillax. 别。别。Don't. 激动。激动。Adjective. Emotional. 先。先。Adverb. First. 冷静。冷静。Calm down. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website or Facebook page. See you next time. 再见。